everyone. Before I introduce this act, I'd like to clarify one thing. The correct pronunciation of this word is not yoga, but yog. That's how it's supposed to be pronounced, and that's how we'll be pronouncing it tonight. Now get ready to witness an incredible dedication and hard work of these young minds as they bring to life, as they bring the energy, strength and focus to life through yoga. Now this performance is not to showcase their acrobatic skills, but to highlight how simple practices can have a profound impact on shaping their lives for the better. The practice of yoga not only helps them improve their physical health, but also helps them build focus, discipline and confidence. It works in a subtle manner, but the long-term impact is truly profound. I'd like to sing two lines which I always like to remind myself and these kids, and they're going to join along with me. All of you come. Join. हमें अपने मन को हमेशा संतुलित रखना है, इसी में ही हमारा आत्मविकास समाया है. So let's cheer them on as they inspire us all to connect, breathe and grow together. Thank you.
I'm sure the plants would like it if we sang them a song.
Or even our generation. They're always listening to loud music, glued to the TV or playing video games. It makes me wonder, are we really living in a virtual world or virtually living in a real world? You're so right. We've got to find a way to reconnect with the real world. Something that brings us closer to our roots. I think I know how. So the practice of yoga. Yoga? You mean twisting our bodies into impossible shapes, or sitting under a tree meditating for years, giving up everything? No, not at all. Those are extreme practices meant for advanced yogis. But for people like us, yoga offers simple yet powerful techniques that can help us transform our lives and unlock our fullest potential. Unlock our fullest potential? What do you mean by that? Yoga strengthens our bodies, calms our minds, and fills our hearts with happiness. When all these work together, we can be our best selves and truly enjoy life. That sounds amazing. Yoga is one of India's greatest gifts to the world. It's time we embrace it ourselves to make our lives better. Absolutely. Let's also inspire our friends to join us in practicing yoga. Let's bring yoga into our lives and make a difference. त्यक्त्वा धनञ्जय सिद्ध्यो समो भूत्वा समत्वं योग उच्यते. भगवद्गीता श्लोक 48. Do your work with all your heart, but don't worry about winning or losing. Staying calm and happy no matter what happens is called yoga. Number 52. Buddhi yukta jahatiya ube sukrita juskrute tasmat yogaya yujyasva yoga karamasu kaushalam. Bhagavad Gita Shlok. When you think wisely and work smartly, you don't feel upset about good or bad results. Yoga helps you do your work smartly and peacefully.
What a performance. Wait. Where you? Okay, Ahana, how many? The same question goes for you as well.
6 months.
6 months. Ahana, anything different that you have learned from yoga other than flexibility and all those things?
Concentration.
Concentration. Give it up for Ahana. Thank you, Ahana.
This isn't a dream.
Shruti Biyani.
Dhruti Bhiyani. Okay, so Dhruti, how long have you been practicing this for?
For 6 months.
For 6 months, you also. Any other answer? Then we got flexibility, we got concentration. Anything else? Am I missing on something else? No. Flexibility and concentration is what we have got. Anything else you want to add on to it?
I feel more calm.
More calm. So flexibility, concentration and calm. Give it up for Dhruti. Okay. What's your name?
Disha.
Disha.
Tisha.
Okay, Tisha. So Tisha, how long have you been practicing yoga for?
6 months.
6 months. Okay, I think you got a group of people of 6 months together, you're doing it, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Okay, so calm, flexibility, concentration. Do you want to add to something?
Peace.
Peace. Okay. Kya baat hai? And one second, I'll call you back. You want to say something? Last one, I'll definitely call you guys back. Okay. So, what is your? I've seen a lot of postures. You guys did Surya Namaskar over here as well, right? So, any of the posture which is your favorite, can you please show it to the VG audience? Something which is your personal favorite. You don't have any personal favorite? Chakrasan or something like that? Nothing?
All.
All are your favorite. But you can't do all over here. Na? Anyone? Can you choose anyone? Kapalbharti. Chakrasan. Mothers are prompting from outside. ये करके बताओ.
I'll do Chakrasan.
Yeah. Viji, do you want to see Chakrasan? Okay. Come on, yeah. Let's support these young kids. Okay, come on. Give it up for her. Let's do it. Let's see. Woo! Awesome. Oh, she got on her back. Yeah, baat hai, yeah. High five. Amazing. Okay. Who's left? Everyone's done? Okay. Yeah, you guys wanted to say something, right? Come. Let's hear from you guys. Okay. What is that one thing that you want to say and you're so eager to say that?
Thanks to our teacher Megha.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Okay. A huge round of applause for her Guru. Ladies and gentlemen, I didn't recollect the name. What was her name again? What's the name?
Megha.
Megha. A huge round of applause for Megha. Thank you so much, Megha. Okay. Can we all have you off?